This case is basically straightforward. So all you need to do is allow me to do all the talking, alright?
Why never make the woman just give back my money when I got a food?
Oh, why would we do that?
Come here like it.
Listen, all you need is to sit there, shut your mouth, and allow me to do the work. That's what you pay me.
Where's it now?
I said you sit, you shut your mouth, and allow me to talk. It's straightforward. I have a perfect strategy for this case.
So me never said nothing.
Not at all.
You don't know what it does either.
What you don't understand is that I don't need to know who sells it. I'm yet to meet a woman that I can handle it.
Last man, me live with this woman. I'm the camp manager. Right now, I'm taking 2 more lines with yourself. Who people I don't want to talk to her?
Don't worry yourself. As I've said before, I have the perfect strategy for this case.
Let me see if medicine is clear. I am going to sit here. I don't say nothing at all.
Exactly.
And you are not going to do all the talking.
That is why I'm the attorney.
How do you call that?
Strategy.
Strategy. Strategy.
That's good.
Good luck. I wish you all the best. You and your strategy. You don't know what you're doing. You know it? Whatever. Tell me whatever.
Gonzalez?
As I say.
Where is your lawyer?
Pardon?
Where is your lawyer?
They offered us money, man. After the offer, bull and bull. Let me know. We've been practicing for over 25 years.
I've been working on the queen, her mother, and her grandmother for 15 years. Sister, sit down for me. Woman, where is your lawyer?
Pardon me,
Where is your lawyer?
me not gonna need no lawyer. Trevor teach me money.
We shall proceed.
No, Your Honor. To be quite frank, Your Honor's been decided I have no intention of sending poor Miss Coldwater to jail, no. As a matter of fact, what we're proposing is that she repays the money and it recorded that she has done so. As a matter of fact, if she wants to plead guilty on the charges right now, we're more than willing to have them thrown out.
I have no problem with that. I have those 2 pieces to go and eat. Miss Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
Will you stand for me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you like to change the plea to guilty?
Have you no idiot, Your Honor?
Okay, let's proceed.
Your Honor. As the evidence that we shall present today will show us, Miss Delcita Coldwater is not the innocent in the country bumpkin that she portrays herself to be. We shall set out to prove that Miss Coldwater is nothing more than a common criminal. Ready to proceed?
I'm in no time.
We shall call our one and only witness, Mr. Trevor Gonzalez, to the stand.
The man. The Sam was said.
Young man, don't waste the court. Okay? Mr. Gonzalez, approach me. I don't want to see it. Turn around. Show the jury your ugly face. Then I warn you, I like the way you cut your hair. It makes my job easier. You got to take charge.
I will have one more. Get up. And what do you do for a living?
Hustle.
Please, elaborate.
I am a businessman with hustling potential. That makes me a hustler.
Well, no. How long have you known this Delcita Coldwater?
2 years, 3
Ay,
months.
I'm not 2 years, you know me, but I'm not too sure. Abduction, yeah,
Put on down. The word is objection.
yeah.
Defendant don't report. You may proceed, Constable.
Right here. Oh, Mr. Gonzalez, tell us, how did you happen to meet Miss Delcita Coldwater?
When I was downtown one day,
Me
you
don't
see,
go downtown, I don't go down there.
Miss Coldwater.
I don't go down there.
Miss Delcita Coldwater.
Yes, Your Honor?
One more utterance out of that mouth, and you're going to see what I'm going to put in there.
But I don't go down there.
You may go ahead, Mr. Gonzalez.
as I was saying, I was downtown St. Elizabeth one day this year. And while I was there, I observed Miss Coldwater in a supermarket picking up some groceries, right? Now this woman picked up $1,500 worth of groceries. And when she reached the cashier, she only had $500. So out of the goodness of my heart, I did get $1,000.
I know me, you get cashier.
So, if we have to understand you clearly then, Mr. Gonzalez, what you are saying to this boy is that Miss Coldwater was shoplifting.
Shoplift your mama.
Right there! Order! 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 Order!
locked up Miss Coldwater. You have done a lot of things for her. But tell us, what made you think that you could go ahead and offer her financial assistance?
Objection, Your Honor.
Water?
Your Honor. Your Honor. The question was prostitution.
How we have to require them? Come back and say. Is everything right on the book? Everything right on the book we have run the court back because of you. The word is prosecution. Don't make me let my seat come on you again because you don't know me.
You don't know me neither.
You think this is okay?
Hello.
What?
Shall I remember say you go that door when court door?
Was that a threat I heard in my cook for today?
Me not threaten nobody, but none of we not live in here.
You made the proceed.
Proceed, Your Honor. So, Mr. Gonzalez.
If you bad, proceed. No, man, you ain't not time. Proceed, no proceed. Father, name me next question. Proceed.
What you getting at this?
I mean, up on the floor, ladies, before Jane come. Your Honor, when me not say, he question where him. Trevor say about the financial assistance. It sound to me like him a lead and Trevor like him a tell Trevor what he say.
You know you're right, sustain.
Sorry, Your Honor. I'll rephrase it. So, Mr. Gonzalez, tell us, did you feel sorry for her?
Yes, I feel sorry for her. Very sorry.
Right.
How you look for me for? I look somebody if you object you again, you go down here.
So, Mr. Gonzalez, explain for the benefit of the members of the jury, because I'm sure they must be curious. Because we're talking about a woman that you just met. But yet, you went ahead and paid for her groceries. You also took her home. Didn't it not dawn on you that you were setting yourself up to be robbed of your $750,000? Well, so, were there any witnesses to the theft of your money?
Yes, sir.
And who were these witnesses?
Me.
Hey, you need to elaborate.
I mean, hide the money, I John, and me miss the money. That's why you have me along with this, don't you?
Very good. Now, on the day in question, what did Miss Coldwater cook you for dinner?
Ask you.
I mean, no near me. You know near me, me not near me. Trevor, don't make me talk when you're near me.
What Mr. Gonzalez eats.
Well, you're right. Trevor, come quite like when you have to cooking all day if you warm up.
Proceed, Your Honor. Now, Mr. Gonzalez, can you recall what Miss Coldwater was wearing on the day in question?
One black party with a shorts and green boots and pink slippers.
It's alright, Martin Luther, you're having a bad trip.
money then? Did you check with your immediate community to ascertain whether any of the monies were spent there?
Of course, the girl go on a spending spree. The girl go do her hair and nail her face or foot. Right now she have a problem that identity to go fix her teeth them.
Teeth and them your teeth and not fix. And me do them so they not fix. You know, she say they have representation. Chema look for them good. You know, she say only two front black they represent Michelle and Barack.
No. Mr. Gonzalez. I'm sensing a pattern here because you said Miss Coldwater went up from way to cooking and bun up meal of oxtail. Should they dress sexy in around? Alright. So when you got to the house, can you recall what was the color spread that Miss Coldwater had on her bed?
It's alright. Enough rope we carry ain't it?
So then, based on what has just transpired, you see, if you had to sum her up with one word, how would you best describe this Delcita Coldwater?
One word?
One.
That girl is not...
One word?
She's like a sister to me.
What inside?
to be asked. Where did the car? Where did the car?
Hey, girl.
Yeah.
You know, tell me, sir, you one there.
I mean, one day I'm feeling each other on paper.
Some dope thing when I go inside and say, you know what?
Yeah.
We are leaving.
Oh, yeah.
But we'll come back.
Uh-oh.
And when we come back, we're going to get the money. To what I want inside the house.
I don't know, left your number, give me send you please, when you come back, can one next movie, because we watch Men in Black already. And that's why he killing up the house, you know, sitting down.
He's a mad man, you
See me let nobody in here, none of them come in by themselves. So Trevor, you know them, they know you there, guy, you near. Trevor, you know them, what they near.
The car one name Hammer.
It's all your name, mama, so why you look one near?
Neil.
How on near? So make your name make them fix up back in your radar. So Trevor, if money when them ask you about, you see, I know $400,000 make you feed best card. No, you're not giving up paper for signing, no, Trevor.
No, why me give people to sign on me? Don't me hear it?
Yeah, you get that a relationship paper, they are about business paper.
Delcita.
Yeah.
The man who say come here as some investors, they come for their money.
Yeah.
The top boy want him interest, the sharp boy want interest, you want your interest, that man want interest. If I give you your money first, they'll come and I can't take up interest. You understand?
See where you there? But when me not think about to see, they cannot take out the confidence and the interest.
They know what that is. You're going to ask. Your name, their number 5.
That's cemetery, go so.
Your name, their number 5. If you want your name, you got number first. You see this 550,000 you have to make it.
No, matter what it's about, not tonight. Every night, you back it up. Trevor, it's 50,000 what you try borrow from me. Last week you borrowed 25,000. You reback it up, Trevor. Now you try borrow 50. You're going to lend you now. What you want me to lend you? You're lend you 10,000. Put it on the 25. That's 35. 15 I'm going to lend you. I pick them college money they are trying to put together, you know. I hate they are trying to put together. I say, Trevor, you have a rabbit picking them money. Trevor, see 10,000 for you. Trevor, make sure we get it back home.
Yeah, good girl.
Good girl.
Any girl see your money, so good girl. Hey, Delcita, you see as long as you see me, you shall see your money.
And it's Trevor. You see, when me see you, me not see me money. How worried?
Come. I make sure we can't do it. I don't want a long none of right. I want Durex. Durex Ultra Sensitive. Durex Ultra Thin. Do.
Trevor, why are you messing with me?
Me nah, mess with you.
You know I had to pay somebody to find you, though.
But the good thing to the find me now, don't.
Why weren't you answering your phone last night?
Because the service was down.
So how is the service? No, Trevor.
This is me, Zara, Zena, ladies, Akacha.
Where were you last night, Trevor? Answer the question.
What was the question?
Where were you last night?
Right here.
With whom?
By myself, out myself. Come on, man. You're around too rough now, man.
No. Are you silly?
Yeah.
Don't you dare get up.
I would have never moved. See them now move. I'm an idiot. No, man. You have to take a joke.
You're wearing these.
No.
No, Trevor. You must be wearing those. propose.
No, but we can explain.
No explanation necessary.
We make it.
Because I must have been really stupid to think I could propose to you.
Me too.
What if my family was to find out you're cheating on me?
Cheating me not.
Yes.
Me not. Crime stop.
Trevor, you know I love you. And I've given you my heart, Trevor. And it seems like you have a problem giving me yours. So I will just take it.
And I'm heart, you want my soul. But if you come in and my sister house and accuse me of cheating.
Trevor.
You look like a family member to you.
Trevor. Which sister?
So whoever you pay for watch me couldn't tell me live with my sister. The two are with there. Here, together. And you come in and my sister will put life off, favorite brother through that plan to kill him. So put, hey, you see this? I'm a grand. No. There's no kill. You can man?
No.
No man, this is a sin man. If there's the water with
Whoa!
No!
When I came through that door, Trevor, I heard you say something about condoms. Why would you need condoms?
Do you say you don't want to get pregnant?
Yes, I did.
That is what condoms are for. You pinch, leave an inch, and no, Eve, man, you have to get a joke too. Oh, what's it? No, man. No, come here. Come here.
Listen.
He comes
No, wait.
He just died, man.
Baby, I was calling you and you weren't answering the phone. You weren't picking up.
I saw phones here, sometimes the service them down. That's why they come with Lime and Clara. Come on, he have to take a joke too far. Come. Where do you stop me?
No, baby, I'm not stalking you. I love you.
No, you don't never put it stop me and come like scary movie.
What if I put the knife?
Yeah, man, you never play yourself to me.
No, don't say that, Trevor.
Listen, man, this is not going to work out between me, man. Every way you come in there, you just back on the PV talk, we're going to stop me, man.
Baby, listen. I love you.
No, you can't just let more people.
Trevor.
Alright, tell you what. Why don't go to your yard and make me come in and go stop you, bitch. Go to your yard and come and go stop you. I put out some clothes and I'll come down there pay.
You sure?
Of course.
You gonna come see me?
Yes, man.
Okay.
And if I come and say, come.
What? Why? Oh, your sister? Maybe I can meet my sister-in-law. Baby.
Well, you could have woman because of me. Yeah, come on.
Baby, listen. She's a woman. She'll understand.
My sister is a woman that very patient.
What? No! I am not going through that hole. Do you see what I look like? Hello. Ridiculous.
If my sister book you know, look like hello.
No. All right. He didn't know.
Climb up. Take your back to the face. Let's eat up. At least I need fast shower. I'll go hotter. Hey. What the cut? Please. sweetheart.
Yeah.
The relationship,
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah.
All you have to do is wash, cook, clean, and give us the beat. Nothing more.
You know, say your mother wicked though. You know want to know when my thing fear people, you know, say I'm not giving you one. Never notice how you talk to me.
You wash, you cook.
My chairman not like some, you know, wash your hair and your clothes, you know, Trevor. I'm in love, cook your food. I'm in love with you eat your food. And Trevor, it's when me say eat my food, me I talk favorite woman with there, so. Yeah. But Trevor, look here, man, me a woman in your life, I have to show me respect. And when me say respect, Trevor, me not talk about no respect for no boss or no respect for no dad, me I talk about the respect for the sitter.
We have to understand it clearly. What you're saying to us then is that the monies that were missing were monies that you had set aside for a previous business engagement.
You know, so if you pass for all that same thing, and the answer remains the same. The money is an investment. I get from an investor to invest somewhere else. In between the investment, Delcita Coldwater keep the money.
Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you, Constable. Miss Coldwater, let I remind you, you won't be spending 6 hours in the prison then the next time. It'll be 60 long days.
Sorry, Your Honor.
The witness may step.
No, you can't step on me, no question him.
Or you will or you.
Me no liar, but I me a defend myself, so me have a right to question the witness as so evil.
Will the jury approve of this?
I hope he.
Remain in the hot seat, Mr. Gonzalez. Miss Coldwater,
Yes, Your
just
Honor.
remember, you're on chalk line.
Never rub me out there. Alright. Good afternoon, Bad Boy Trevor.
Good afternoon.
Objection, Your Honor. Your Honor, you need to advise Miss Coldwater that she has to address the witness by his proper name.
Deaf people walk with the interpreter in here when they answer with.
All the rules, sit.
Bad Boy Trevor. Tell the court how they call you Bad Boy Trevor. Your Honor, for you have a nickname, you have something to do with you. Remember Yellow Man, Ninja Man, Sandokan, Virtual White Man, go marry white woman.
What all these men have to do with this?
Your Honor, make Bad Boy Trevor tell you what they call him Bad Boy Trevor.
By my boy.
Don't worry yourself.
Your Honor, this woman never give me a cent, man.
All right, Trevor. How much time may I have in the court?
What kind of stupid doesn't
All right, Trevor. Trevor, come on, you come clean. Come clean, Trevor. Come clean. Right? Trevor, how much time you rape me? I forgot. You see, me tell Trevor come clean, you come clean. And Trevor will talk to you. You can ask you a question. Because since you want come clean, you can ask you something. Trevor ever read me? If you put $425,000 by the $800,000 back so full, Your Honor. All right, Your Honor. There's no way 750,000 could have won in that box. That's the way you would have called 4th century. Hey, Your Honor, you have heard long time. You know me can ask you certain questions. You ever try to put a big thing in a small one? Silent like man said. Hey, Your Honor, Trevor a thief and Trevor a liar. There's no way 750,000 could have won in another box. So in other words, Trevor raped me and Trevor raped me back. Hey, Your Honor,
What?
show the case, you know, because prima facie, you know, had nothing against me, you know. You don't hear me, you know, man.
What?
You don't hear me, you know, man. No further questions.
One down, two to go. Yo. You find the girl? What do you mean by your father should use every day? Now, how can a man should use every day? You tell me that. You miss. Well, anytime you find me having that, at that time, what to be there? Yeah, I'm good. You there? Over me one yard. Where are you? You're the one. Yeah. Now, one girl said to me, I said, "Oh, you see nothing." Yeah. Talk to you later. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Trevor, problem at work, you know?
How?
The boss not shut himself and not pay me first.
You did?
He not did it, your hospital I walk through. He took me first. Small rabbit today, you know?
Grab him.
500,000 just so Trevor.
No, man, that's what you're going to bad yours. You know, just be a thief and criminal, right?
I tell you, and you know they go to them. Trevor, me sorry for me boss, you know. Me say the clothes man work hard, you know. And when me see him take it good, I'm puppy shot in myself. Me say when Trevor they think that they shot there.
Hello.
Hi, Trevi. It's your woman Heath. Are you coming over tonight, baby?
Can't believe
Uh-huh.
Trevi. Sweetie, I need to know if you're coming home. Baby, I really need you to talk to me. I miss you.
Uh-huh.
Trevi, you know I don't like
Listen to me now, sir.
Sir, excuse
You
me.
come at a very wrong time. Please do come tomorrow. Sir, I'm having my lunch right now. Please do, sir, come tomorrow at 12 o'clock. I'm having my lunch right
Baby,
now.
no, don't hang up.
Have a wonderful
Baby,
day, sir.
don't
Thanks for
hang up.
understanding. Okay, bye-bye. So you have said somebody shot the boss today, don't you?
May I tell you?
Oh, shit.
I know somebody shot him neither, him shot himself. And I said to myself, say, you know, so me go down there and look for me. And me I say, why am I doing the gun inside of him? In the hospital, you can't imagine. You should have been right for him if you go and shot the theater two man in front of him.
When this school, listen, this school is a business school.
Yeah.
The people who come here in this school are business associates, alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
So me know you're associates. Me know you're when associates say, baby, don't hang up. A double problem me now, you know. When me go up my hospital, then 2 girls come call me from Cali serious and their money due. I look their boss don't pay me.
Oh, you have a manager?
What's that? Me I say you have to go charge now 50,000 or 5,400 let me give you people though.
Yeah, man.
Me not mad at how they don't carry come.
Yes, you.
Yeah.
You can't just go in a bank and job and say work.
Me know you have to carry your idea, your man.
Yes, you.
Yeah.
The money that they give to me, see?
Yeah.
It's an investment. You put investment in the bank and it accumulates interest.
Yeah.
Now your interest now accumulating about 2,000 and 4,000.
Oh, yeah, me understand. But here one now. Me not no interest in the interest. Oh, yeah, the principal you want, Trevor. Me no want interest. Just go and get the principal.
I want to them damn police.
Nobody not tell me nothing, Trevor. Cause here what? Me no want the money tomorrow. Me no want it yesterday. Me want it today. So see if you can hurry up, Trevor. And go for it. No, it's alright. I buy it to buy it to go away. Oh, Thai food that me buy. Oh, pity you.
How about it?
Not the man. We dey on a commercial break. See if you can hurry up, Trevor. Hurry up. Cause lunchtime now, me no want you catch me back when you lock. Yeah? Hurry up, me boy. I saw life go. You must think me a idiot. Every day you're there. You're near me, you're near out. You're near me, you're near out. Well, Trevor, me no in a nothing with you, you know. Cause pay me to your name so you know say you have 5 rides to do.
No, we put 750,000 Nigeria last year. Yeah, that was it. Where did it
Trevor, are you trying to play a practical joke?
Yes, it's a very joke.
I'm not joke neither. So here one, Trevor. You see when you reach for your choke part, put up your hand.
That's it. If you have peaceful life, I'm not raise my price now go about this money. Go for money we're going to give me.
Trevor, stop it. Right? I know some me under stress. And me want to pick them father
I
dead.
know I hear no boy you're hungry belly pick them up the money. We not easy.
Trevor! And me I talk to so Trevor. Trevor, you don't know me like that. Hey, Trevor, you killing me. You don't know me like that. Hey, Trevor, right now my wire up there. You don't know what.
Hold on. I take my money and walk up to balance. Okay. Warm me there, Sita. No, warm me. No, nobody boss me. Go for money because give me. It's a wicked gang. Every time I'm going to go warm, panda by. Eh? I'm going to tell you about the boss. I'm going to talk about money. You don't remember? Yeah, what's your name? I'm in a little bit.
Liku, Trevor, liku in idea. Nobody have the bedroom tactics, you know, Trevor.
Come on, my people. Come my money. When I easy. You take my money and go put work to me. I'm in a lock my back set. I'm going to lock up your back set. What's your name? Take my money. Made up pose. I'm going to celebrate with you.
Delcita Coldwater, you are hereby charged with robbery with aggravation. You may remain silent, because anything you say or look like you're going to say can be used against you in the court of law.
It's open.
Yes, sir. You can't come around and kitchen and try like you.
You're decent.
Sir, come now, sir.
Okay, I am coming in.
Yes.
Miss Coldwater,
Yes, sir.
you know I was just on my way to the country.
Yes.
And I said to myself, self, you know, since Coldwater been out of the pen, you haven't visited her. And myself replied and said, you know what, you're right. So here I am, Coldwater, and I come bearing gifts.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I try one. Sir, we have for you, little man.
Sorry. Is all them girls that treat them myself, Coldwater?
Well, them a kiss after me most of the time, sir.
And I trust that you never kiss back.
Well, me kiss back this year, me like. Sir, you want something for drink, sir?
What you have?
Me have lemonade and jam robati.
Give me the last one.
Oh, you want it, sir?
Yeah, the back here and bring it to the John Prop.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Say everything round and me and say I want to go. But what's no in everything just don't do all this and sir.
Roach.
I want it up. Me think I want here catch whichever drink goes.
Let me flip it. You can tip a little more.
Yeah, but I tip a little more, but I buy it. Stop there, where you say you can't spend, sir? Where you say you can't? Are you done, sir? Where you say? Where you can't spend? Oh, kuya. That kuya, the pretty one. So guys, money in you sitting there. Oh God, me shame me now. You know, you say money, but you know the end. Not even a day was. No.
Stop. Can you imagine? I pick up my phone and I call my daughter Marlene's phone. Man answer the phone and come and ask me about all this.
Yes,
Mr. Well, this is the person who bought the phone. Put money on the phone. Man, I'm going to come tell you how many baby, they are need real land, and they are watching, they are fun, and they are frolic. Come back on the backside, the baby, and go pool side.
They must have parties outside.
People going to classes, Coldwater.
Sir, so life, but everybody had a problem. Come me and see me twin us, sir. You know, say, Trevor, we make me get locked up at jail, and know me have to go back to court, though, sir. I'm sorry, me now, one day you could have been me liar, sir.
No. You see, I'm insolvent now, you know.
That means, sir.
That means I'm broke. The last money I visit, me take baby and buy the little coke and the phone.
Yeah,
And I'm further.
I know if we mean us, and I'm complaining more.
You are my employee, I am your employer. It's really conflicting, you know. It's
What's sir, me know what kind of this again, sir? Remember say you shut it up.
Well, but I want you there in the 2 weeks that I am gone, and that's I just want you there for
So
one.
sorry, I couldn't come and court one night time. You know, say Trevor done the whole of me money and I'm the one, sir.
It's really conflicting, Coldwater. I'm trying to tell you this.
Delcita!
How will that sound like a Mexican show, Papacita? Somebody there! Somebody is here. No talking. Somebody there.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm a social worker. May I come in, please?
Oh, yes, miss. Yeah, you come to the ministry?
Yes, I come to the ministry.
Oh, they want to talk to parents and so about picnic, auntie.
Are you Delcita?
Yeah, me and Delcita.
Nice to meet you. And you are, sir?
Valentine Case, attorney at law.
A lawyer. Is he your partner?
I'm in class, you mother, be class.
Oh, okay. How long you been living here, though?
10 years now, landlady, they have to take key.
All right. And do you live here with your partner?
Me not sure one, but you know that.
No. I meant your man.
Oh, with me man?
Yes, your man.
Miss, me no love talk, me private.
No, man, it's okay. Go ahead, darling.
Yeah, me not problem now, yeah, me son.
Okay.
Not too worried about your Trevor. Yeah, me not sure. Son just come here and
Trevor?
You know him, miss?
Hold a minute. As in Trevor Gonzalez.
You know him! Hey, you know say when a Jamaican wife, that's why me think.
What do you mean by you take him?
Oh, it mean we are long with it together, we sleep in a bedroom for the water.
You listen to me. You see, this little interview is officially over. My name is Heat and Chinubu.
Oh, your company African shorty.
Soon to be Mrs. Gonzalez.
You're my man to Trevor, brother. You're cool, man. You're cool.
Trevor is my fiancé. And I cannot understand why he would betray all of this for that. Ridiculous. No, listen. I said nothing about a financee. Trevor and I are engaged to be married. And it's rather appalling that the woman with whom he chooses to have a fling is not even equipped with basic verbal communication skills.
Thank you, and the same to you. Thank you. I wear that Joseph.
She say you're an idiot.
Yes, you are definitely an idiot.
So, you come up here and tell me, say, you want Trevor.
Duh, honey.
You can't want Trevor.
Yes, I do.
When you are Trevor, don't come to a permanent tenant in my property.
No. That's not going to work. Don't think you can draw me into your unequivocal ignorance and your insatiable appetite for tracing match because I'm way above your minor league.
So, we had to play play.
not what the saints are. You must see dead man a walk it? Oh man, no. Which one she do with the file, do you, man? Every time I say to the secretary, I say, Secretary, file the file. Secretary, file the file. Oh no, the woman don't file one file. Hello? Yes, this is he. Who this? What kind of protection money? No, hold on, come back as a drawbreaks. Come back as a... Me just open this here firm here, you see? And me not selling no goods. This is not a wholesale. So I refuse to pay any protection money to anybody. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Out of order. Just give the door a firm push, man. The buzzer stick on me at times. Never you fear, though. I'll be right. What is? The IDF, Inner City Development Fund. This extortion business get family? Yeah. $20,000 a month? For what? You must say, man, if I pay on $20,000, I did something wrong. What are you going to do about it, eh? What are you going to do about it? Or we burn down it. What? Oh, sorry, sweetie. Not you. Just a little problem at the office, man. Just nothing too important. Tell me something. Since you go to university and get caught up with big time college friends, you forget me, man. Yes, man, I can't even hear from you. You're not caught. Is how much you want this time? Tell me something, Marlene. Why is the university charging you so much money? Them think that is Bill Gates is your papa? Oh, calm down. Calm down. Yeah. All right, let me send them money. 20,000. All right, me send it next week. Yes. Love you too. Yes, bye-bye. Yeah, kiss. Yes, bye-bye. Yes. Marlene. Ah. Hello? Me not even have me gun to rat it. Hello? Is who there?
Somebody.
So this man is not on here?
Hi.
I love you know I'm a licensed firearm holder. So come at your own risk. Oh, come this way, sir. Come this way.
How?
I am great. Step right. Oh, you are the architect. We spoke on the phone. Remind me of your name again, please.
The name is Senior.
Senior, yes.
Junior,
yes.
Senior.
Hold on. Is it senior or is it junior?
The name is Junior Senior.
All right, Mr. Junior Senior, show me the
As
file.
I explained to you on the phone, you see,
yes,
that these people were supposed to give me 500,000. Up to today's date, they only give me 50,000, so I want you to sue them for every red cent that they got.
I am sorry to disappoint you, Junior Senior, but I can't take a case that value 500,000. I don't stand to profit from that. So
we're talking about 500,000 pounds here.
You want to make you never say so all along, man. Look,
you never asked.
We at Case and Company will definitely take this case. Definitely take this
company?
Case. Yes.
So that is your wife?
Me what?
That photograph over there.
Oh, nonsense, man. This is my daughter.
Daughter?
Marlene Case.
Oh.
Studying business administration at the university.
Oh.
You have any children of your own?
Yes, I got 3 wonderful girls.
What you say?
Yes, one by the name of Nokia, one Samsung, and one Blackberry. One studying to be a lawyer, the next one a barrister, and the other one a blasted thief.
I beg your pardon?
Just like you said.
Oh, the legal field. It's
yes,
a great
yes,
field
yes,
to be in.
Yes. So how much a case like this is going to cost me now?
Well, a case like this, carry the one. Around 3 to 5 million, you know, junior, senior. But lucky for you, we are having a special, you see?
Special?
Yes. You see, I would like to take this case on a mere percentage.
Percentage?
Yes.
Explain.
Let me explain. You see, upon completion, you receive 60%, we receive 40%. Don't miss out.
Hold on a sec, this phone vibrating here.
All right, take your time.
Yes, hello. Yes, Mr. John. Oh, no, OJ, listen. Oh, sir, if I am going to sell that piece of property, you see, it's going to be for $80 million. Yes, 8 with a lot of millions behind it. No, I don't do business like that. You have to talk to my lawyer first. He's right here. What's your name again?
Valentine case. Tell me it's Valentine case.
His name is Valentine's Day.
What?
Yeah. Oh, him saying no, your name is a very popular man. It's a popular name you have. Yes. So as of now, you speak to my lawyer. His name is
Valentine case.
Valentine's Day with a B. Yes, sir. Okay, good. So, Mr. Valentine's, you were saying something about some percentages, 70-30, right?
No. I said 60-40, 60-40.
Oh, come on, Mr. Valentine's, man. You're a lawyer, man.
You know what, Junior Senior? If you want to go and search for a better percentage, you can just go through the door and find it.
You give my purple.
Wait, hold on. You little joke me already. You can't take joke, man. Let me throw something else at you. Can I do that?
Dash it at me then.
Okay. How about 65-35? Me can't do no better than that, Junior.
65-35?
Take it or leave it.
That's
can't do no
not
better.
money to you. That's it. 70-30.
No, that's not what I
Mr.
said.
Valentine's, I have a stockpile case to give to you. I am an architect, you know. I architect things, and I can see in the future that you have a very bright case going on because I have a stock.
So you have a lot of work to put my way.
Morning,
Miss Coldwater.
Yes,
I want you to meet Mr. Junior Senior, brand new client with a brand new case. Junior Senior, Miss Secretary, Delcita Coldwater.
Oh, yeah.
How do you do?
Oh, hello. Then, sir, I keep pressing here.
Coldwater, darling.
Yes, sir.
Would you bring us 2 cups of coffee, please? Thank you.
Yes, sir. Coffee coming up. You want them hot or cold?
As I was saying,
Yes, please.
other than this purple case here, I have a lot of case to give to you.
Yes.
I have some blue one and some cream one to give to you.
Once you say,
You see, when you have a lot of stuff, we have a lot of again there.
assets, a lot of assets.
That's
Yes.
the word. I have a lot of assets, but I do not have the live and ready cash.
Oh.
You know, the other day I went to a bank just to get a loan of $500,000 just to put up a perimeter fencing around my $90 million establishment up in Norwood.
What do you say?
And would you believe me that the bank have me there from 9 o'clock in the morning,
You're lying.
straight back until 9 o'clock in the night,
No.
waiting on one blasted loan?
Sir, because you're going to wrong place, sir. Wrong place to go. Bank not do fencing, they do lending.
Thank you, Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
As I was saying,
Yes.
I was in the bank from 6 o'clock in the morning, straight back until 6 o'clock in the night, waiting on one blasted loan.
Tell me something.
Yeah.
Is which bank you bank with? What's the name of the bank?
Bank?
Name, yes.
The name. Give me a name, the fast bank. Oh, CIBC.
Oh, that one been a long time.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Coldwater. Set them down.
Me ask you what type of cola, you not tell me, so me make one at a one. Sir, that one here for you. You see that one here for people, he hot. Because you don't know what people mouth about these days, so give people name.
Yeah, that one here for you.
Come. Benches and chairs.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. This coffee tastes like shit.
Like what you
But as I said before, you see, I am going to our next bank tomorrow morning, and I'm going to go from 5 o'clock because this is the earliest bird suck the most worm.
Nonsense. No more banks for you, Junior Senior.
No more bank to suck?
Yes. You see with Valentine case as your lawyer and the case and company as your firm, all your banking and financing will be done through the firm. Oh, miss out.
Who?
Valentine case.
And who is that?
That's me.
And who are you?
I'm the lawyer.
Oh, you're a lawyer. Oh, nice to meet you, man. So you have a bank?
No, me kind of confused now, you're not junior senior. I am the lawyer and you're my client. I'm going to secure the loan
Oh,
for
you're
you.
going to give me a loan? No problem, man. Thanks. Most appreciated. Most appreciated. Good lawyer, yes.
You know what? Just here, make yourself at home, you see? I'm going to sort that out for you. 500,000 coming right up. No worry yourself. Miss Coldwater, assistance, please.
You can't man work and I work out much. Yeah, fine. Yo, Hammer. Me there, you know. Hey, Hammer, I want you to go for university. See if you can find one little girl then called Marlene Keys. When you find the girl, you call me.
Hello, BBB. Yes, Valentine case. May I speak with Mr. Wright, please? Hello, Ricky boy. How you doing, man? Volleyball, yes. Look here, I want an extension on the overdraft on this account. Yes, man, 500,000. I am sending the client to you straight away. Yes, man, the interest will be paid on time every time. Okay, thank you very much, Ricky. Okay, good. Okay, bye-bye. Mr. Junior Senior. Junior Senior?
Yes. I was just going to
come over here, son. Thank you. Yes, I managed to sort out the thing for you, you see?
yes.
I have a check here.
Oh, yes.
You take this check, 500,000, you take
Oh,
it to
good.
big.
Thanks,
Wait, let me instruct you on it, you see?
Yeah.
This check will acquire an interest of 300,000 upon repay,
Yeah.
and you have 8 months to repay, okay?
No problem, I'll have your money back to you by next week. You see, I have a
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
I am going to have to hold on to all your assets, all your paperwork, all your collateral, everything you own, I have to hold on to.
Assets?
Yes.
As I told you before, I have a lot of files here.
What
this
you
is the
say?
cream file I'm telling you about, you see?
Yes.
Is that being up in Harvard Tree that the transport center?
You're too lying.
I am the architect on that one.
The transport,
And
what
if you
you
go
say?
through this one, you'll find out I don't know nothing about it, but you'll know about that one.
Okay.
And this one is definitely yours.
Okay.
And the blue file I tell you about is the architect for the Pegasus Hotel. I am the designer for
You're
that.
too lying.
And if you want the
say?
briefcase, you can have it too.
No, it's not my style.
Okay, then have a wonderful day.
No, hold on. You have to sign in.
Sign?
I owe you.
Lend me a pen. When I finish signing, I owe you, you will owe me. yes.
You're not easy now, borrow that one.
You know what I like?
Yes, what
Since
is
I've been back here in Jamaica, I finally find somebody who I can trust.
Oh, yes, indeed.
You're a man that can be trusted.
Indeed.
Yes. Because you see, everybody where I come across just want to rob me.
Rob you.
The banks want to rob me.
Them rob everybody.
The government want to rob me.
Them works.
The police, they want to rob me.
No mention them.
JPS want to rob me.
One last one.
Mr. Valentine, don't make nobody rob you. It's pure con man a go nowadays, you hear?
Rob me? You have to come good if you rob me, you know, junior, senior.
Oh, yes, I forgot nobody can rob you because you're a lawyer. Okay, good.
Indeed.
Good, yes. Okay, now, have yourself a wonderful... Yes, this coffee. This shit is good. So now, have a wonderful time now and listen.
Yeah.
One of these days you must make my daughter, your daughter link up and we do a daughter's splash.
If you like the sound of that, hey, BBB bank.
I know where the bank is, you don't worry about that.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Yes.
This ring look familiar, man. This look like an old school ring of mine. What is that? HME? What does that mean?
Oh, it means Her Majesty's Secret Service. Trust no shadow after dark. Okay, Mr. Valentine's. Have a wonderful Valentine.
You know, easy, you know, to walk good through your senior. What a nice man, man. Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
A minute of your time, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
You see, when you see me and successful business people out here talking,
Yes, sir.
you need to stay out of it. You hear me?
Yes,
Out there you're talking on the top of your voice. You think it's a party business me running?
No, yes, sir.
These belongs to Mr. Junior Senior.
Yeah.
Make sure say all the T's them cross and all the I's them. By the way, I have been looking top and bottom for your fire. Can't seem to find it.
Oh.
Dance of Dance Construction. You see?
Yeah, me have it in me bag. You know, from when we can't get it in me bag. And this man, me take you out of the kitchen. See there, sir. You should have asked me for a long time, sir.
Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
Is there a filing cabinet in the office?
Yes, sir.
So how come the file coming out of your bag? What's wrong with you, Coldwater? How much time have you tell if you stop picking up the files? What is wrong with you?
So you have one like enough file
Coldwater, man. I am trying with you, you know, Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
But you're not enhancing the process, you know, man.
Oh, me know.
You are not a good secretary, you know.
I am me, sir.
Me just try a thing, man. Me just you don't even have any subjects, Coldwater. I don't even think you have common entrance.
Yeah, but you don't know, sir, me I do GSAT. No.
GSAT?
Yes, sir, me I do GSAT class, you know.
What you say?
And me say teacher proud of me, you know. He said the other day, she said, we must get a story book to read to me one another. Me no care no book, me can't kiss. He said, do we have to read to one another about 10 bikini reading, but they not talk about.
You know what, Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
I must really have a special place in my heart for you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Later. Yes, I'm company money. No, I'm not here now, but if you talk to me, me talk back to you. Yeah, him not coming. Go ahead. Oh my God. And he beat you probably well. And just run you out of the house. Oh my God. So you had the cheap bikini run out of the house. Oh my God. So wanna leave now, wanna leave. Oh my God. So what you want me do? What you want we do? You want we swim for bikini maintenance? Oh, you want to swim for half a way in got? So look here. When you not go live with him man, you don't care nothing there for yourself. So miss, come on la. Okay. So how long you and the man live together? How long you and him live together? 4 years and 8 months. Miss your shot, you know. Yeah, you're shot. When then I check up, you come out too quick. A 5 year. Yeah, come on, la, 5 year. Miss, listen. Come on, la, 5 year. Yeah, you have to stay 5 year. So here what you do? Go to the gate, beg him man, partner, go live out 4 months. Miss, only that me can't tell you now. Yeah, me know, say me want to up you now, yeah, shut your ear when you live there. Miss, only that we can't take care of our court, because you not go make no. Miss, don't talk to me like that, because me never say nothing about you. Don't say, Miss, do your mama too.
Coldwater, the word is not mama. The word is mother.
What's that? Me there, me try explain to you, man, in writing, and in there, your mama too.
Coldwater. Who was that on the phone call?
A wrong number, sir. Wrong number they call, sir.
Wrong number.
Yes, sir.
Wrong number or wrong attitude,
Sir,
Coldwater?
so my client, they ranking, and you have to rank back with them, your mama.
Coldwater! Look at You see this place, Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
This is a firm.
Yes, sir.
This is a place of business, you see?
Yes, sir.
So you see when time the phone call them come in,
Yes, sir.
you need to answer the calls professional.
Professionally.
You just make sure so when my phone ring, you send my calls them to me, you hear me?
Yes.
And answer it like a good secretary, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You're sure you're understanding the words that are coming out of my mouth, Coldwater?
Yes, sir. They smell foul, but
Professional.
yes, sir. All right, sir. Later. Oh, yeah. If you know
ask me if me there. What?
Sorry, this side of me a quarrel. Yes, sir. Oh, Mr. Brown, Mr. Brown.
Me not there.
Sorry, sir, you miss him by a quarter of the day. No, you not come back in here, sir. Go ahead. Sorry, no. Okay. You live in the country. So, walk down there, sir. Thief goat. Sir, we not care thief in people got goat, sir. So how much goat you thief? 10. So you couldn't let one give people them. A big man like you a thief, so. Sir, question. The goat them live or they dead? Then dead. The case dead with the goat them thief. Sir, we can't carry that goat because them they goat they could end up a restaurant and people name them. Sir, don't be can't carry, sir. Sir, don't sleep. Sir, don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like your mama too. Yeah, but I am and I wrong people they matter.
You know, say, me feel say you go on your bed and come up with brand new ideas to mash up my business. It's sabotage, you come and say sabotage me, don't you?
No, sir.
It's who say you?
Nobody.
It's who say you?
Sir, influenza virus you in a me feel. Sir, I know nobody and I know me make you not get no client, you know, sir. You know, sir, the people them will have the office round there, so they don't know see a law we do it there, you know, sir. Them things you are golden age home to it close them way.
Delcita, hold on. Was that a client? Was that a client on the phone? And me just hear you read out the whole of the client's business and about the line Coldwater.
No, sir, him tell me, I tell him back.
Okay. Attorney-client privilege code. Run that through your brain and tell me what it means to you. Attorney-client privilege. Run it.
You know, say that come back and it come empty door.
Confidentiality is essential here. I could lose my place at the bar, you know.
They no go drink somewhere inside.
Okay. Fine. Let me put it somewhere where you can understand it. Let me paint you an equation. Yes.
Sir, you don't paint the equation, the giant.
All right then, Coldwater. Let me jar you up one equation then.
Yes, sir.
No client.
Yes, sir.
Plus no job minus your little salary equals go to your yard.
Yes, sir.
You get that?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can balance the equation. Sir, idiot client, got quote, lose case, business shut Sir, and the next thing, sir, I make your zipper always down, sir.
Nothing about my zipper is a part of your job description, you see?
Yes.
So when you are chat to me, you feel look up your son. Now look down there, sir. Look up your son.
Yes, sir.
Pervert.
Like it, sir.
The name is Bull. Dr. Theophilus B. Bull. Attorney at law.
His name is Coldwater. Delcita Coldwater. Attorney at know that.
Inform Mr. Case that I'm here.
Are you thieving go them, sir?
talking about? Oh, Bull, fancy seeing you here. What you want?
Yo. For someone that's challenging me in a court of law, you know, man, I expected to come and see a far more classy joint. My God, man, your place is a dump.
Sorry for disappointing you, Bull.
Really?
But this is not a giant.
Oh.
This is an office.
Excuse me.
How may I help you?
You can't help me. You see, I've taken on the Devon Smith case, you know. But you know, when I looked at the file and realized that you were the attorney on the case, I said, my God, man, I couldn't pass up another opportunity to whip your ass in court one more time. But then, you know, I said, I need to play it fair. So here's my proposal, no? We're willing to plead guilty on the fraudulent conversion charges, see? But that's only if you're willing to drop all the other charges. Is that what you say, old boy?
What me say? Well, no, man, raise up, get up. You know, get up, man. Tell me something. That said thiefing boy, Devon Smith. Is you I'm thiefing lawyer, but?
No. Ho.
Tell me, boy, because I must know these things.
Let me correct you, listen thing you say, old boy.
Okay, say what?
You see, I've sat and passed my QLTT in London.
Good for you.
Pass
Jesus! Man. Through the glasses, Bull.
All of you know I passed it on the very first thing at that, you know. You know that I have my LLM, my LLB, and my PhD. You see, I've sat and passed the Jamaican bar, you know, the New York State Bar, and the California State Bar as well. So don't you dare ever call me a lawyer. Damn ranking out of order.
Sorry. I am coming from the rum bar, you see? So if you could kindly leave, I have unfinished business. Tell me something, Mr. Bull. Why make you come down here with all of your qualifications, eh? Your BC, your RC, and your PC. Now tell me, with all of them their qualifications, you should be able to set the devil free. Why would you want to make a deal with me?
You seem to have a very short memory, you know.
What are you talking about?
February 2006, ring a bell?
You mean the same February 2006 where you dip your hand in your pocket and pay off the judge and the jury, Bull? You think me forget? Tell me something. When I can left your office and come to my office, if you come blow up your horn, Bull?
Blow?
Yes, blow.
Well, listen to me. If that is your way of telling me that you have someone blowing you, you have succeeded.
No matter when he's sucking in here.
You know, Mr. Bull? Keep your blasted qualifications and your accolades to yourself.
Accolades?
That can't win court case.
Accolades?
Yes, accolades.
But what are you about not mere accolades?
Hey, watch yourself.
They're tools!
Hey.
Tools to let you look like a damn fool in a court of law. Accept the world the way it is and allow yourself to be the way you are. Jack Canefield.
So you're bright, Mr. Bull. You make big time quotation for me, Bull. Well then, Mr. Bull. Civilization begun. The first time someone threw a word instead of a stone.
One side,
Sigmund Freud.
You're behaving like you have half a brain now. But you know, there's a few things I can teach you about brains. Because you see brains, brains are like mouths. When empty, they blather. When full, they digest. Pete Harrison. I get out of this.
Oh, no, man. See you on this video. What is? Exodus! Bob Marley!
Yeah! I'm not turning a drummy boss tongue. That is Portia Simpson.
Listen, I am very, very busy. I don't want no calls. Please, do not disturb me. Busy.
Yes. Anytime you see my boy in the office, busy. I feel him, I feel up. Okay, busy. What is up there? He said plur or something. I thought nothing like. That look like old Sydney. Sir!
Wow!
Sir, put in a cup, sir. Put in a cup. Sir, you see the address here?
Yes, what?
56 Narrow Drive, Kingston 30.
Five. Put it in the cabin.
Sir, we used to work on Narrow Drive, you know, sir. And the people that when me work with them live at last house on the left hand side and for them house at 54. At 54 Narrow Drive, tapping out this, I say 56. Plus Kingston 13, sir, 13.
Now, root there jungle now?
No, sir, we don't think Desmond Mackenzie would allow that.
What is man? What is? This looks familiar though. This look funny.
The address there.
Yeah, man. So,
Rotted, I don't know how.
tell me about it.
Because this is your address, sir. Say, man, put your address in a document like how you do your document.
Man, put your address in a document like I'm in the
Sir,
document.
you never read the document.
You never read the document. Coldwater, call the bank.
Yes, sir, me about that.
Mr. F call the bank.
Sir, you have it phone, you got it on your head. Jesus, you're not ready yet, you know you're not ready yet.
Yes, BBB. Valentine case. May I speak with Mr. Rake, please? Hello, Rakey boy. How are you doing, man? Yes, Bally. Look here, look, I just called to find out, you see, if that man did come and cash the check. What do you mean? Woman? What was her name? Delcita Coldwater?
Sir, tell the bank no ramp with me, no. I mean, no left here from money.
Yeah. No problem at all, Ricky. The interest will be paid on time. Every time. Bye-bye.
I see everything they on this, you're doing a pure foolishness, them I know. I just want to dash them way, because they are rubbish. Sir, give me phone, give me. Because you never tap take over draft, you don't take up draft. Sir, I'm mad, sir. Sir, from mad, pay me for sir.
Coldwater?
Yes, sir.
You see me daughter Marley?
Yes, sir.
I want you to tell her that I love her. You hear?
She a baby, sir.
And my mother.
Yes, sir.
I want you to tell her that I love her. You hear?
But you buried her last year, sir.
Well, in that case, me will tell her myself.
This get the work on Africa, go home and my mother. No, tell me, no good enough. It's a case of what you got, sir. Don't do it. No, wait, not do.
Get up. Come outside. Go out. Oh, God. I ain't never given up. At this very moment, we shall proceed with Officer Delcita Coldwater, who is serving time for criminal contempt of my court.
That's fine, right?
We will now appoint a new defense for her.
Not so fast, Your Honor, not so fast. My name is Valentine Case, and I represent Miss Delcita Coldwater.
Go to the court.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any records of Coldwater's case? I mean the Delcita case?
Yes, sir. What I forgot to tell you.
You forgot to call me. You forgot. Nobody can tell no to my court. Nobody at all.
With all due respect, Your Honor, you're not really running this case. You're not running the court. This court is running you.
So I don't know what, boy. We're going to do about it.
my client was jailed and fined $10,000, you see? The fine has been paid. See that wide open. Your Honor, I know that you must be surprised to see me. Gee, but you see, justice and I, we have a symbiotic relationship that propagates freedom.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
One more big word up to that mountain and we'll see what's going to happen inside here.
Okay. I am here. Your Honor, I am hereby filing a writ of a habeas corpus for the release of my client.
Is this some sort of game you're playing with?
Oh yes, Your Honor, this is a game. But you see, in this game, I am playing defense. Defense! Defense! Very good, very good. Your Honor, you see, my client's conduct wasn't merely because she's unaware of proper courtroom proceedings. You see, that is why she behaved the way she did. The defense would like to call our first witness to the stand. We would like to call Ms. Conchita Bomba. You can sit down here, Miss Bumper.
Thanks, sir.
Miss Bumper, could you please tell the court where you work and what you do for a living?
He's a businessman. We're working on your case, sir.
Okay, and do you know Mr. Bad Boy Trevor?
Certainly.
Could you please inform the court of your relationship with Mr. Bad Boy Trevor?
Well, is it Trevor? Trevor used to be my number one client. I used to invest big money for me.
Well, invest money.
Till him robbed me.
So are you trying to tell the court that Mr. Bad Boy Trevor has been cash flossing? Or dare I say, politicizing? Objection, Your Honor. I withdraw, Your Honor. I withdraw. Your Honor, the evidence that I am providing will show beyond the shadow of a doubt that this man, Bad Boy Trevor, and what he does for a living is on the opposite side of honesty, meaning he is a thief. And that my poor client, Miss Delcita Coldwater, was merely a victim of this mass of biological waste. Known to mankind as Bad Boy Trevor. Can I proceed now? Now, Miss Bumper,
Yeah.
you have a son and you have a nephew. One of them named Hammer, one of them named Nail. Could you please inform the court of the relationship among a Hammer, Nail, and Mr. Bad Boy Trevor?
Well, it's a Nail and Bad Boy Trevor, Fred. I'm gonna write that I get them to have business places. The man in protection money, I don't know. I'm gonna start him out and thing.
Exhibits 3A and 3B. Letters sent to my office, Your Honor, on the 4th day of December. Sent by Mr. Bad Boy Trevor. Hand delivered by said Hammer and Nail. Now, Miss Bumper, would you say that Mr. Bad Boy Trevor is an honest man?
Not one backside, Trevor's an extortionist. Hey, Trevor, who want me money? Trevor, who want me $750,000? Trevor, will you take my money? Trevor, who want me money? Can you tell me, say, I got your dirty girl, if I carry girl, if I give me back, and I know you're not giving back the money, Trevor, I want my money.
Trevor, you mean to tell me you are going to take my money and give it to that thing?
I am the only dirty girl for girl.
Trevor, I'm your fiance.
You're lucky, I got another Chuck on fire over there.
Why don't you try Chuck?
Miss Bumper! Miss Bumper!
Yes, sir.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Thank you, Constable. Miss Conchita Bomba. Is that your real name?
Yeah, probably not.
But tell us, where exactly in UK
Kingston is your office located? And what's the telephone number?
Where the Alban Road?
But what number, Holborn Road? Of course you would know. Conveniently, but I lost some memory. Well, tell me, can you remember 9 inches? I mean, no, don't answer that. Can you recall, though, charging $5,000 for 3 hours worth of work at 17 Cargill Avenue on the 27th day of the 8th month, 2008? Can you? Objection! Clearly, Your Honor, my overzealous colleague is battering the witness.
Yes, it might better me.
It is clearly a point of credibility, you idiot. Go and sit down.
Yes!
Yes, Your Honor.
To take your seat.
You're lucky to judge them if they sit over here, boy. As I was saying, Your Honor, Miss Bumper is nothing more than a common street prostitute.
Hi, Mina Cameron. That's right, not that.
Excuse me. Which part of the Constitution is to say prostitute can't give evidence? Which part? Did I not just tell you to sit down? No, that if you don't want to Counsel! Yes, but don't worry yourself, Your Honor. I was just on my way to my seat. Your Honor, Miss Bumper happens to be a police informant. And she also happens to sell the first syllable in her name for a living.
So what, you know, I'm by some...
You know what, Your Honor? There's no further use for this witness.
Constable.
Yes, Your Honor.
I realize you're very intimate with this
Yes.
matter. On the 27th of the 8th, 2008, were you the victim of this system here? Just checking.
Friday night.
Miss Bumper, you can stare.
Some people did think, semi done. Thank you. The defense would like to hold up the place a little bit. We would like to call to the stand Ms. Heat and Chernobyl.
Hey, get over here. You know what is up here?
Thank you. Leave a photo, see.
So help me God.
Sit down, check my classes.
Now, Ms. Chernobyl. Could you please tell the court how long you know Mr. Bad Boy Trevor and how you met?
I've known Trevor since I was 16 years of age.
16.
On the record, the quote that the jury that 16 is the age of consent. I mean, I'm happy to put it there.
How you met?
I met Trevor at a party.
Yeah.
He approached me. We've been dating for 6 years, and he's been living at my house for the past 2 years.
No, Miss Angelo. Do you think that Mr. Bad Boy Trevor loves you?
No. And ever since he met Delcita, he's been acting very different.
How does the cook?
I used to buy Trevor everything he needed. I even bought him a ring last year worth $200,000.
Objection, Your Honor, relevance. Well, if you wait until she finishes up, you will hear the relevance, man. Well, here is a pop up. You have a jack in the box.
Constable, you take your seat.
Go on, darling. Tell us about the ring. Tell us.
The ring was an engagement ring.
Yeah.
And I even engraved my initials in that ring.
You engraved your initials in the ring?
Yes, I did.
What is your middle initial?
My middle initial is M. It's HME. Heat, Marlene, and Shinobu. What's the problem?
Come here, this idea.
Are you?
Yes.
Yes, man. Are you?
Yes.
Junior Senior. You're gonna lock him up him back. This man come in my office and defrauded me of $500,000. And me want every red cent to that.
Counsel case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Don't
push me, Bull. Don't push me.
Counsel case. Don't do the pushing. There's no record here about any 500,000.
No, but you don't understand. This wouldn't be.
This man is a madman.
Mr. Gonzalez.
Your Honor, sometimes...
Stick to the Delcita case.
Your Honor, sometimes this man Chipo is a madman.
It's all right, Your Honor. Miss Angelino.
Yes?
Would you say that Mr. Bad Boy Trevor is an honest man?
Not the least.
Not the least.
Excuse me, not the very least.
Not the very least.
Your Honor, this man is a madman. Sometimes he Chipo.
Junior, Senior.
He Chipo again.
You're dead!
What?
Figurative.
Yes.
His case has been shut down. No further questions. But lay your backside in it. I think you get back. Don't worry yourself. Miss Angelo, can you be trusted?
What's your question?
I mean, it's all a question of credibility, isn't it? You sat here and have listened to you giving a testimony. And you have professed your love for my client, Mr. Trevor Gonzalez. But yet, you have turned on him like the common green lizard that you are. So can you then be trusted?
Big guy, I've never asked no one to trust me. Not even Trevor. You speak about credibility, but what do you know about credibility? By his deeds, a man shall be known.
Now that is Shakespeare.
And by the way, my father is going to be very upset if you win this case, Dr. Bull.
Say something. Say objection, I'll shut it.
No further questions.
Counsel case.
Yes, sir.
We have any more witnesses before we close this case here?
Yes, sir. Proceed, Your Honor, because it looks like somebody has secret society. Your Honor, I would like to call my final witness to the stand. Aye, it's me and this thing, it's not you. The defense would like to call Miss Delcita Coldwater.
Get up and swear.
The court didn't afford a bigger Bible. Swear.
Miss Delcita Coldwater.
Yes, sir.
Could you please tell the court how long you know Mr. Bad Boy Trevor?
No, it's been 9 months there with him since 6.
And within those 6 months, Miss Coldwater, how much money did Mr. Bad Boy Trevor give you to put down?
0 cents.
And within those 6 months, Miss Coldwater, how much money did you give Mr. Bad Boy Trevor to invest?
Me give $400,000 and give me back nothing, no time. In come my yard, in barber, to the bar, $300,000. And $750,000 Trevor got for me, you know?
Question.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bad Boy Trevor, he never cheat on you
He
before.
give me money every day.
Careful, you have to have evidence when you say
He
this.
my woman them, sir.
Go on, speak.
One name Patsy, commissioner daughter.
Patsy.
One name Michelle, minister of finance daughter.
Now.
One name Warren, one name Ratty. No, you dead in your field.
No. If you have something to say, the judge is here and I mean, nobody can't do nothing. Say enough, Your Honor. This only Mr. Delcita Coldwater loans to the bank.
Yeah, that's true.
And now I go tell me say this young man you cause me to lose me down. Well, God forbid if I am to lose this case in a so to death because of this man.
He's a bad man.
They should have me gun in your Bad Boy Trevor. You see what going on?
Got it.
Me must go carry. No further questions.
I ain't gonna say if you take out the gun, I know exactly what you
Miss Coldwater, 54 North Track. Does it ring a bell?
We are going.
Answer the question, number one. Does 54 North Drive ring a bell?
Me not talk who ring and no ring, but me not tell nobody who me vote for.
Very well. I'll phrase it so that even you can understand. Can you recall working at 54 North Drive where $15,000 went missing?
You wanna?
That's a good question.
Me I work at 54 North Drive and the people them want me $15,000 and I want pay. Do I know one room and me a tidy it and me see 10,000 and me take it and I got yard. After that the people them come and apologize if they come for balance at 5,000. But when me go there put 1,000 on top I pay me fear God me a good.
Not so fast. Not so fast, Miss Coldwater. Because there's also the case of 27 Orange Street where $3,000 went missing. I dare you to know answer that.
And you show me partner and me. Me show me partner. $3,000 a month. When they send me drop one, give me $3,000 miss about a bank fee. Me go for you.
You know what, girl? I think I have no further questions.
Miss Coldwater,
Yeah,
I must say to you, you're a magnificent woman.
yeah, that's the
You
side.
know what? Give her a round of applause. But that would not deter that she's here on a charge of robbery with aggravation. Mr. Trevor Gonzalez wasn't. I want you barely see your deliberation when you're coming to that verdict. We will now have our closing argument from our prosecutor and then our the defense.
Come on.
Sit down.
Nobody else has no question. Just start the jury and say we can't press the jury here. I no more you just chat to me. Alright? Good boy.
Now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what has been presented before you today is clearly... sorry. Don't mind me. Don't mind. Proceed. As I was saying, it is clearly a hope and shot case. As the evidence has shown, Miss Delcita Coldwater must be guilty. When she met Mr. Gonzalez at the supermarket, it was no accidental meeting. The woman saw the man, realizing that he had some money, and she had laid her plan. What she did was that she used her charm and her sexiness and breathed.
You are making a mockery, my good. Do you see any sex in here?
So everybody a keep their teeth. Keep on them keep on the teeth away.
Honor, the there, shortly. Excuse me, was that your best shot? I know where you are, sir. Your Honor! Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you see, justice must not only seem to be served, but justice must be served. Monty Perkins. The defense rests.
Have the jury come to a verdict? Yes! Let's hear it. From Miss Delcita Coldwater?
Not guilty!
Mr. Trevor Gonzalez?
Guilty!
I'm hearing too many verdicts. You have a verdict, sir? Guilty. You have a verdict over here?
Guilty!
Order! Will the foreman step with the right verdict, please? Uh-oh, here's the
Alright, go back down there, sir. You hear me? The man say 4 man here don't come. Give me this man. I own the boy. Watch and no.
Excuse me!
Please! Put it right here. Put it in your right here.
Your Honor, we the jury have found the defendant, Delcita Coldwater. Not guilty.
Yes! I have an announcement. Miss Coldwater, you always been there for me. You told me that I need to get back into the saddle and move on with my life. Yes. So before everybody here today, I want you to meet my brand new fiancé. Deceit and Channel.
Baby, look at her face, look. No, baby, this way.
Things are straight off. I have here in my hand a warrant for the rest of your clients. 2 sexual charges. Well, 2 sexual charges. One on Miss Delcita Coldwater, and the other on a juice box.
I don't know if you realize that this is totally ridiculous. There's no legal precedence for this. It's because someone talk about this is not in my report. This is a kangaroo court.
It's my lawyer. Delcita will dig it. Never talk. Your Honor, my lawyer's just taking a leave of absence. He wasn't a good lawyer anyway. So if you give me permission, some lawyer outside waiting to go find
Mr. Gonzalez!
one.
Oh, no. Straight prison!
Your Honor, with your permission and the court's permission, I'm going to ask that Miss Delcita Coldwater represent me in this matter.
money worries cannot hear straight.
Boom.